The Nelson County Sheriff and Chief Deputy have been indicted.
The allegations stem from the sale of cars that had been seized by the Sheriff's Office. Well, WDRB's Richard Essex reports that the Sheriff is denying any wrongdoing.
The Nelson County Sheriff and his Chief Deputy are facing allegations of official misconduct and abuse of the public trust. And it's the abuse of trust that has people leery.
We've been praying. We know full well that there's a lot of corruption in the law enforcement in Bardstown. A lot of good, let me tell you, a lot of good. But yeah, we've been praying for all the corruption to be dispersed.
And they don't do it for
Nelson County Sheriff Ramon Penaroa and his Chief Deputy, Brandon Bryan, have been indicted for selling 3 vehicles that were held in an evidence warehouse. The owner of one of those cars sent a picture to WDRB. He declined our invitation for an interview. Others in Bardstown are not so reserved to express their thoughts.
Well, I think we have problems in Bardstown. We've had problems forever in Bardstown, so this is not the first time this has happened.
Sheriff Penaroa declined our invitation for an interview, but his lawyer said a statement. The evidence is clear that Sheriff Penaroa followed all processes appropriately, and every dollar can be traced to the benefit of the citizens of Nelson County. We look forward to a quick trial in order to put a quick end to these baseless allegations. These allegations were brought to light by 2 Nelson County Sheriff Department detectives who claimed that they were targets of retaliation and denied overtime. A lawyer for the Sheriff's Department provided this statement. The Nelson County Sheriff's Office denies the allegations of wrongdoing brought by the detectives and is committed to defending the lawsuit accordingly. The statement went on to say overtime funding was tied to federal funds, which had been withdrawn. The sheriff and the chief deputy are scheduled to appear in court on March 20th. The chief deputy has not provided a comment. With photojournalist Jeff Gordon, Richard Essex, WDRB News.